for this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to reduce high data usage on Android phone without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Right, so the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone setting. So I'm going to simply click on here to open my phone setting. Just like so. Having opened up your phone setting, next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to network and internet. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down, and you have to navigate to data saver. Click on that. Like so, it take you right here. What you need to do next is to simply turn on this particular button. It's as simple as that. So with this, you have drastically reduced the high rate of data consumption on your Android phone without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. Find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.